In chapter number 1, we have seen that the rights under copyright law are exclusive in nature. So, there are certain qualifications that the work or your creation must satisfy to avail these benefits. These qualifications are: number 1, your work must be an expression, not the idea. Number 2, your work must be original. And number 3, your work must be fixed in a tangible medium. Now let's quickly look into the meaning of these words. Number 1, expression. Meaning a specific and a unique way to convey or present your idea. For example, the idea of a young wizard going to magical school and having adventure there is just an idea. But when you develop that idea into a specific story with unique character, setting, plot details, like J.K. Rowling did with the Harry Potter series, it becomes an expression. Number 2, original work. What it basically means that a work must be independently created and have some degree of creativity. Now, this creativity does not need to be a groundbreaking, but on the same time, it should not be a mere copy of something else. For example, if you paint a landscape using your own style and technique, it's an original work. Even if the other artists have painted the same landscape, your unique approach makes it original. Number 3, fixation. Your work must be fixed in a tangible medium. This means it needs to be captured in a form that allowed it to be perceived, reproduced, or communicated over time. Whether it is written on a paper, recorded as audio, or saved as a digital file, your work must be stable enough to be accessible once its transitory period is over. Using someone else's work without proper authorization can lead to copyright infringement. The consequence of copyright infringement can be severe and fall into two main categories: criminal and civil offense. Criminal offense. If you found guilty of copyright infringement as a criminal offense, the penalties include: number 1, imprisonment, where you could face a jail time for the term of 6 to 12 months, or fine that ranges from 50,000 to 1 lakh. In certain cases, you could face both imprisonment as well as fine. Number 2, civil offense. If you infringes on someone's copyright, you could face several civil penalties, that are injunction, where the court may order to stop the infringing activity immediately, or monetary damages. You might have to pay the losses caused by the infringement, or other legal remedies. There could be additional legal action that can be taken against you in order to address the infringement.